Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Polite. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make buffalo chicken tacos. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make buffalo chicken tacos. So let's head down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got 1 cup of shredded chicken. We've got about a half a cup of blue cheese crumbles, about a half a cup of buffalo sauce, and we're going to use about 3 of these street taco tortilla shells to do this up. Alright, before we start, I just want to clarify one thing. I did go to the store this morning to buy a roasted chicken to show you how to pull the meat off the bone and then shred it all up nice for these tacos. Unfortunately, the time I went to the store this morning, they were not ready to go, and I asked about it and they said they didn't come out till about 9 o'clock, kind of get ready for the lunch rush and all that. So I bought this shredded chicken that I've got here. It's about a cup out of the pound I've got in my refrigerator that I bought. The blue cheese I had up in my freezer, buffalo sauce I had in the cupboard, but I did buy these nifty little street taco shells that we're going to use. So instead of a technique show where I show you how to cook and the chef parts of it and everything like that, it's just a quick and easy idea for a meal or for a snack that I'm going to show you, which is one of the premises of my show. So I'm just going to show you how to make these tacos in 3 easy steps. Let's go. Alright, in a pan, you want to take your chicken and your buffalo sauce, and you want to just put them both in there until the sauce and the chicken are completely heated through. Then you want to just heat up your tortillas in a pan until they get just a little bit of color on them. Got our tacos right here. I made up a little bit of cabbage slaw here, a little bit of vinegar and oil and salt and pepper. We're just going to use for some color and for some texture in there. Our chicken. Little blue cheese crumbles on top. Alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish dressing this up to make it look really pretty. We are going to take some awesome photos of it for social media. We're going to put those pictures into the timeline so you guys can check it out with some really groovy music. I hope you appreciate both. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste these. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. There's one of those tacos right here. We are going to give it a taste. That's a really good taco. There's many textures in there. You've got the crunch of the coleslaw in there that I made, and they got the meatiness of that chicken in there with the bitterness of that blue cheese and the heat, of course, from the buffalo sauce, and I tamed it down a little bit with some sour cream drizzle on there, as you saw. Very good, very, very good. I got 3 of these to eat. Simple, quick, delicious. Go to the store, all this stuff's ready to go. You don't have to come back home and do a whole ton of work. Heat up the chicken in the sauce, put it into the tortilla, and you got yourself a meal. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Polique. Bye-bye.